This is the conclusion of Note 7.1, Solving Exponential Equations. This particular end of the notes is us solving equations using our graphing calculator. So I'm going to walk you through this. Got this written step by step. You should be using your calculator in sync with us. So first of all, what we did in the previous video is we made the bases on each side the same. Sometimes, though, that's not possible. Looking at this equation here, if the base is a 2 and a 3, it's not possible. So when that happens, we can use our calculator. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the graphing utility. We're going to set y1 equal to the left side of the equation. We're going to set y2 equal to the right side of the equation. And then we just get to figure out where they cross each other. Before you figure out where they cross, you want to have a good window where you can see where they're crossing. That may take a little guessing and checking. Then, once you can see where they cross, you're going to do second calculate, which is this button right here. Second calculate. Then you're going to choose intersect. You want to know where they intersect each other. So once you do that, it's going to say first curve, question mark. So all you have to do is make sure that it says up here that it's for y1. Hit enter. Then it says second curve, question mark. And then it should say y2 up here. Hit enter. And then it's going to say, do you want me to guess the answer? Now that's the worst part of this. Because it's guessing the answer, it means the answer sometimes is going to be wrong. And sometimes it's going to look wrong, but not be wrong. Neither of those things should be comforting to you. Since the original problem only had one variable, we're only looking for the x value of this. So once you guess the answer, you should see that it gives you something close to this, and that would be negative 3.518. We always round to 3 decimal points because that's what's expected on the AP Calculus test when you take calculus. So go ahead and try these next 3. You should get for this first one about 839 thousandths. For the next one, you should get about 3 and 415 thousandths. And for the next one, they cross dose times. That means 2 times. One of them is at 1.028, and the other is about 4.550. If they intersect twice, when it's asking you about the first curve and second curve, put the cursor close to the point of intersection when you do it. So make sure that you actually try these and do them and see that you're getting the same answer that I am. That concludes the notes for this section.